Today on Outdoor Adventures with Doc, we're unboxing and reviewing the Roar tent stove from OneTigres. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Outdoor Adventures with Doc. Today I have an unboxing video for you. Now what we're unboxing today is the camping stove for a hot tent from OneTigres. And we'll break it open, we'll take a look at it, and we'll do a partial review only because obviously we're not out camping right now. And secondly, because we have to burn off the factory coating that's in there anyway. What I've noticed is that there's some discoloration already on the pipe. I don't know if you can see. Pipe here, and then of course down here on the base. And that's okay. I mean, that's to be expected. That's why we do that first burn at home in a controlled environment before you go out to the field. I can't imagine sitting in the tent. Have this thing going for the first time and all those fumes, and I'm pretty sure they're toxic being in that tent with you. So lesson learned: if you're going to buy one of these, make sure you test it in a controlled environment before you take it to the field. So after unboxing, putting it together, and burning some wood through it yesterday, overall I'm pretty happy with it at this point. Of course, I haven't brought it out and tested it camping yet, but we will do that soon, even though it's kind of summertime now and it's going to be hot. But you know what? For you guys, I'll put myself through that torture. Some of the things I did notice about it did discolor a little bit on the stove body itself and on the pipes, but that's okay. I mean, that's to be expected. The quality of the build looks to be pretty solid so far. The one thing I did like is that it comes with an extra tempered glass in case you break or lose or whatever, for whatever reason, the glass that's on the door. But overall, you know, I'm pretty satisfied with it, and I can't wait to bring it out and test it. One thing I did do yesterday is I filled up a cup of water and I just placed it on the stove to see how long it would take to boil. And you know, I didn't really put a lot of wood in there. I didn't have it going real hot, but it's still, in 8 minutes it boiled a cup of water, so you got that going for you. Overall, I'm really happy with it. I will have to give it I'll give it a 5-star review on Amazon tentatively until I bring it out to the field and test it there. If you would like to purchase one, you can find it on Amazon, and I will put a link in the description. And again, I'm pretty happy with it. It's compact. It's not all that light, but that's okay. If you're going hot tent camping, you're not really doing a lot of hiking. It's definitely not a hiking stove. So yeah, I'm super happy with it at this point. Thanks for watching, and go ahead and leave some comments down below. I don't care. Make them funny. I don't care if you make a meme. You're not gonna hurt my feelings. I guarantee that. But I like to read the comments, and I like to have fun. And if it's funny, hell, I'm gonna laugh. Alright guys, we'll talk to you next time. This is Doc with Outdoor Adventures with Doc. And get out there and enjoy the outdoors.